Going up to see the bells. Ilkley Parish Church. We have to be very careful because they're quite close to the door.
So if you just don't come in.
I won't. I just need to see it.
So that's one of the bells there.
Wow.
He's sitting up, he's not stable, he's sitting up, he's resting on a piece of wood. I'll show you on a model downstairs.
Right.
So if I knock that, it'll fly off. And if
Can I take a
away,
photograph of that?
I need to see myself in a minute.
Yeah, thank you.
Am I able to get through there to see a bell, if it's okay?
Lovely, thank you.
I'd like to see one. How do you get up?
Right, no, you have to come down and
Well, I won't come up any further, actually.
I just want to
No,
go.
it's lovely to see the birds. It's fantastic.
Yeah, so there are 8.
8?
Yeah, the biggest one is in the middle.
And when were they cast?
1939.
1939.
Yeah.
So that's where the bells are.
I'll come down so you can have a look. Hold on.
Can you go down, let this gentleman
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
You can come up, but don't come in the door.
Oh no! I need to do it for about 10 minutes. It's for a YouTube channel for one of my best pals. Sorry.
Continuous.
Sorry, not people, just not allowed to. Not allowed to.
It's about 5 minutes to read.
It's an hour to go.
You've got 12 hours.
Yeah, we used to reckon we could get there in an hour. We used to be able to stop the break.
12 bells a time.
We were going to Scotland.
Got to do it for about 10 minutes.
One of these here takes about 20 minutes to read.
Because there's so much more traffic here.
No allowed on here. Get joy, please. Thank you. I'm at Ilkley Parish Church. I'm coming up. Wait a minute. I'm very slow on my legs. Won't touch any of your bells because they're right close.
Yeah, that's okay.
I just need to see them.
You can come
Mind
to the
your
edge of the
feet.
door, but don't come in, please, because
No.
they are very close to the door, and I'm
I need
not
to
in a
get
good
in
place.
there. See the old bells. Mind your face. I'm not allowed to get
Yeah.
people on YouTube.
No, that's fine.
So, I want to
So that's
just,
the treble you can see there,
yeah.
and in the middle here you can see the tenor.
Hang on. Is that? I need to see the big bell, but I won't come inside.
Yeah, you can just see it. It's right in the middle.
Am I right to hold on to there? Just wanted to just look through there so I can see the big bell. So I don't want to stand on your feet. This is for my friend. I'm not going to push anything over. I'm very sensible here.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, there's something behind you. There's something.
Yes, that's fine. Yeah.
I don't want to.
Right, just keep your hands out of there. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah, I just wanted to get
Yeah.
to that one over there.
Okay, no, that's it. So can you come down now, please? Because
Oh, is that the hammer there that hits it? That big one?
yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, sure.
I just don't. It's as I say, they're not in a safe condition, and there's probably much more room at Halifax than there is
Yeah, I
here.
understand.
It's quite difficult. Just take care as well. The steps are very uneven.
Yeah,
going
you're
down.
right.
So just make
Thanks
sure-
for letting me ring you today.
That's no problem at all, Stuart. Just take care going down because the steps are very uneven and deep.
The thing is, I've got to not get people on YouTube or so get into a lot of trouble.
Yes, that's exactly right, actually.
I just need to-
consent and all that stuff.
I've just got to video the church tower, famous bells, and see where I am and where I've been, and things will be so pleased with me.
Okay.
It's only a short bell tower, this. So I'm at Ilkley coming down the steps. It's very tight squeeze up there, I'm afraid. Go.
Oh yeah, there's going to be a lot of rain next Thursday. Yes.